echo. My life is a party, my home is the club. I party like a rock star, dance until I drop. My life is a party, my home is the club.
So guys, I am back as finally my exams are over. So guys, Xiaomi launches its most awaited series, Note series, this year. If you haven't watched my previous unboxing video in the gold version, then what are you doing here, man? Go watch that beast. So guys, in this video I'll share my experiences with this device, or you can say after 1 month review. So first let's talk about some pros of this device. As this device runs on Snapdragon 636, so there is no performance issue with this device, but sometimes I face apps crashes, especially in the YouTube app. So this may be fixed with the future update. Now let's talk about the battery section. So guys, I have managed to get full day battery backup with this device, so no issues there and no heating issues with the device heavy usage. The camera on this device is just above the average, not the best one. We'll talk about that in a moment. So now let's watch a small unboxing of the black version 4GB 64GB of Redmi Note 5 Pro. So I have bought it from the Flipkart. All the links are given in the description below. So first let's remove the plastic covering from the box. It mentions some basic specifications on the backside of the box. Always check the seal, guys. Always check the seal before opening the box so that you will not get a brick in the box. So this is the 4GB and 64GB storage version. So let's remove the plastic covering from the box. Let's fast forward this part of the video. So as I said, always check the seal before opening the box and try to open the electronic items just before the camera. So guys, at first you'll get a silicone case. The quality is average. It will just protect the phone from these minor scratches and provide a better grip. So this is the silicone case in a black color. So here's the black version of the device. Cool looking, guys. Better than the gold version in my opinion. So this is the device and the look and feel is awesome. So now let's check what else we get in the box itself. First, you'll get some user guides and something like paperwork. And now you get a USB to micro USB cable, not the C cable, not the C type cable. This is the micro USB cable. So it's okay. The device supports fast charging, but what else we can do? So yes guys, again the charger is not fast charging as the device supports fast charging, but the charger provided in the box is the normal charger. So guys, now let's talk about some pros and cons deeply. First, now let's boot up the device and continue to the pros and cons section of the video. So guys, the Air Blaster worked seamlessly, no issues there with the secondary noise cancellation mic. Both the sensors are working perfect. And if we talk about the bottom of the phone, the output from 3.5mm jack is good, but the output from the speaker are not that loud. And yes, the phone supports fast charging, but as I mentioned, there is no fast charger provided in the box and there is no C-type port in the phone. The hardware buttons are tactile and responsive. There is no issue with that, and the buttons are made up of metal. So guys, you'll get a hybrid SIM slot in this Redmi Note 5 Pro version. So you can either use 2 SIMs or 1 SIM and a 1 memory card. So no issues with the signal or call drop like things. So at the front, you'll get 5.99 or you can say 6 inches 18:9 ratio display. So the screen is enough bright to be seen directly in the sunlight. So there is no issue with the screen also. And the front camera is good, not the best at sometimes, The portrait mode works so far that it makes the picture artificial, but 20 megapixel camera with 2.2 aperture is good at the front, and yes, you'll also get a front flash which is useless in my opinion. And at the back there are dual camera setups, so the performance of the camera is good, but the same problem of portrait mode is present, and it makes photos artificial. Sometimes the low light performance is okay, or you can say just average. The fingerprint sensor is good and responsive, there is no issue with that. So guys, this is the best feeling. I will say this is the best feeling. So guys, there is another major issue with this device which is related to the proximity sensor, as it only works 4 out of 10 times. So another thing to consider. So guys, if we divide pros and cons, then at the pros section you'll get good display, good processor, that is Snapdragon 636, average camera, or you can say just above the average or average. Awesome battery life. Yes guys, I will manage to get 1 day full backup with the heavy usage, with the full day internet usage, YouTube, gaming, etc, and good looks and feel. And if we talk about the cons section of this device, you'll get basically average low light performance of the camera, not the best or great, average low light performance in the camera. Issues with the proximity sensor, yes, I have mentioned it works only 4 out of 10 times. So, and again, issues with the app crashes, especially in the YouTube apps. So this might be a software bug or software problem. So in the future update it may be solved, but till now it is presented in the phone. No C-type port, as I mentioned, and the output from the speakers are very low, not that loud. Yes, it is audible, but So guys, that's it for this video, and if you like this video then smash that like button, and yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you will be notified each and every time whenever I upload a new video. Okay guys, so that's it for this video, and bye bye.